Store furniture with extra care with our reliable, affordable services. Introducing 3 Movers Cheap Inverness local and long-distance movers near me. Our Inverness local TM movers understand the unique intricacies of the city, allowing us to navigate smoothly through its neighborhoods and streets. We take pride in providing a seamless and efficient move, handling every aspect of your local relocation with utmost care and professionalism. When it comes to packing, our skilled movers are well-versed in the art of organizing and protecting your belongings. We use high-quality packing materials to ensure your items remain secure and intact throughout the journey. As we transport your belongings to your new home, you can relax and enjoy Inverness's picturesque beauty. If you plan a long-distance move from Inverness, 3 Movers is your trusted and reliable partner. Moving to a new city or state can feel overwhelming, but with our expertise and dedication, you can have peace of mind knowing that your cherished belongings are in safe hands. At 3 Movers, we specialize in long-distance moves and are well-equipped to handle the logistics of your relocation. Our Inverness long-distance 3 Movers ensures that your items are securely packed, loaded, and transported to your new destination. We prioritize the safety and protection of your possessions throughout the entire journey. When you entrust your long-distance move to us, you can expect reliable transportation services that adhere to strict timelines. We understand the importance of punctuality, and our team works diligently to ensure on-time delivery of your belongings to your new home. In addition to local and long-distance moving, our Inverness moving business offers extra services from which to choose, which includes commercial moving, international moving, furniture moving, residential moving, military moving, as well as packing and carrying. So, what are you waiting for? Request a free quote using our online request form.